Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a Coinbase account on your PC. So the first step you need to do is go to the Coinbase page on your Google or your Opera. But the only thing you need to do is pick here in Sync Up, and after that, you need to complete some requirements like identification, like your email, your full name, and after you pick in Signing Up, something like another mini page for this for you complete the requirements, for example, the name, the second name, the email, and a password for that account. So I showed you this in another device in a Spanish page, but this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.